Welcome to E-Mobility Trends, your go-to channel for the future of transportation. What if we told you the snowmobile of the future doesn't roar, doesn't smell like gas, and doesn't need oil, or even fuel? Introducing the Taiga Nomad, the world's first mass-produced fully electric snowmobile. It's redefining what a snowmobile can be, and it's built for people who want serious winter performance without the noise or emissions. Designed in Canada, the Nomad was built for utility and performance in the world's harshest conditions. Whether you're a ski resort operator, a trail groomer, or just someone who loves the backcountry, the Nomad is a game changer. It's electric, so there's no engine noise, no fumes, and absolutely no emissions. You can finally enjoy the winter silence without a motor drowning out the sound of your ride. And yes, your jacket won't smell like exhaust by the end of the day. And don't think going electric means sacrificing capability. The Nomad has a range of up to 62 miles on a single charge, and it can tow up to 1,125 pounds, making it a serious tool for real work in the snow. Plus, its maintenance-free drivetrain means no more oil changes, no belts to replace, no spark plugs to mess with. And a lot of updates? They're just a software push away. Let's talk charging. Every Nomad comes ready with a level 1 connector, so you can charge it from a regular 110V wall outlet. Great for overnight charging at the cabin. But for faster turnarounds, you can plug into a level 2 charger and be fully charged in around 3.5 hours. Or if you're near a DC fast charger, you can top up in just 40 minutes. But it's not just the powertrain that's impressive. The Nomad is designed with comfort and function in mind. It's compact, balanced, and smooth to ride, with enough storage space in the front. Yes, it has a frunk for your gear and tools. And when winter's over, prepping it for storage is simple. Just charge it up to about 60%, stow it, and it'll be ready when the snow returns. The price? It starts at $19,500, which is competitive when you factor in the fuel savings, the low maintenance, and the cutting-edge tech you're getting. So if you're ready to go quieter, cleaner, and smarter on the snow, the Taiga Nomad is leading the charge, literally. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about the electric future of power sports as we are, hit like, subscribe to E-Mobility Trends, and let us know in the comments, would you go electric on the snow?